All right, we got a new unused. This is a little skid steer loader, wheeled, 32-inch bucket with the auxiliary hydraulics. Pretty cool little rig here. Little AGT MX-MRW14, whatever that means. Nice gas engine, very easy to operate. Perfect for moving dirt around, doing whatever you'd like with it. Got some LED lights for nighttime working. Let me fire it up and I'll run it around. Pretty simple to use. Come check it out. Preview day, Friday before the sale from 9 to 4. We'll be here. Answer any questions you might have. Other than that, we'll see you then. Thanks for watching.